Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I'm going to take a slow fly over to the grounds. I haven't seen what's going on inside yet, so we'll just see when I get there. But I want to start off by talk about me a little bit, basically. Right, I'll start heading over. All it is, right, I'll put the stats on the screen now of people who watch my videos and how many are subscribed to it. So out of all my viewers, 84.9% are not subscribed to my channel, and I received a message yesterday which I'll comment, I'll put it on the screen now. Someone who thought it was you have to pay to subscribe to my channel. You don't. YouTube's completely free, my channel's completely free. You know, if you want to watch it, subscribe to it. All it does is put my videos in your recommended section. Okay, so yeah, it helps me out, it helps the channel out, and it's completely free to yourselves. I can't stress how free it is. Okay, and one more thing is, another message that I received was someone said, can you give me some money for what I do? Right, I don't want money off anyone. Let me just get a bit higher so this crane's on the pitch. Yeah, I don't want money off anyone. Just watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. That's all I want from you, and YouTube will pay me. Now, what I am doing is what I've done last November was, let's have a look down here because there's a lot going on here now. 2 cranes on the pitch. So what I've done last November was everything again through November, I've put it aside. I'm going to donate to a football team. I've now already picked that football team. I'm going to buy them some football kits for the new season, so I'll make a video about that once it's all done, once they're all bought and the kids have got the kits on. And also, if anyone wants to help me do that, I've set up a buy me a coffee link. So the buy me a coffee link is buymeacoffee.com/CaseImageWorks, all lowercase. If you want to drop £1 in there, you can. Anything that goes into the buy me a coffee, I will put towards my grassroots football campaign to helping kids out. Okay, buying kits for their teams and stuff like that. Okay, so there you go, that's been on the screen. Yeah, and that's that covered, so I'll get on with the ground now. I'm sorry that went on for nearly 3 minutes. Right, let's get on with what we're here for. So I'm going to get higher. Okay, so there's 2 cranes. They look almost fully assembled, if not fully assembled. Can anyone let me know if these are fully assembled? I'm going to have a closer look at them now, guys, so just bear with me. So that's on its tracks there, and that was the second one to be set up. To me, that looks like a fully assembled crane. And this one, different colour, does the same job. Again, to me that looks fully assembled. Can people let me know though? People in the know. So as Paul Frost and Mr. Joe mentioned yesterday in their videos, this roof's coming down in one hit apparently. So the way they're fully forward now, I wonder if they're going to both lift off the roof, take the weight, then they're both going to drive back and lower it just there. Do you think? Thought to be nice on that, guys. Yeah. Another thing, every time I come here, I noticed that every time I watch my videos back, I noticed there was a mark on a penalty spot. I'm thinking, what is that? I'll get to that next time. But every time I've come here, I've gone, well, what's this here? Or what's that there? Or, you know, why are these seats this colour? You know, there's just different things going on. And I never got round to addressing the penalty spots thing. And it's come out now that so there it is there. The ground staff cut it out and gave it to James Milner as a present, and it's now in James Milner's garden for penalty taken. So yeah, that's all that is. But penalty taken wise, I think James Milner's one of the best, well, was one of the best in the Premier League, or still is one of the best in the Premier League. He is staying in the Premier League. if you've got a penalty in the last seconds of a game, the one person you want on it is James Milner. So I'll start getting around other areas now, guys. There's people on the roof down here, so I'll have a look down. Oh, you know what, shall I? No, it's okay, I'll have a look on the roof first, because that's another area of interest where there's still quite a bit of work to be done. Well, if you want to sit in the sun, it's the best place to do it. Well, I'll leave them two alone, probably on a break. So I can come round this way and I can drop down a bit lower now. Yeah, it must be break time. I'm here, it's around, I don't know, half 11, 12 o'clock, something like that. So it's probably lunchtime. Move back here, there's guys on this cherry picker / scissor lift, whatever it's called. Yeah, brickies. Oh, they're doing something to the bricks. There's no, are there any bricks on there? There's no bricks on the scissor lift, is there? Oh yeah, there is, yeah. Looks like they're clearing up the pointing. Maybe. Okay. If you hear the bagpipes in the background, I am right by a cemetery and crematorium, so there must be a funeral going on, and that's what the bagpipes are for. So, yeah. If I'm being honest, that's one instrument I love, is the bagpipes. They give off a great sound, but they're probably Marmite to some people. Right. See a lot of jackets in here. Okay. That brickwork is coming up because they're on that top level now. Now when I get round to this, let's see how far along this span is. It doesn't look to have moved. Oh yeah, it has. Yeah, it has. I'll say it doesn't look to have moved on much more, but it has. See, these sections are being put together on the ground here now, and we'll have to do it in that jig. Okay. A bit higher. Now, I know this is the waiting area for the wagons. Now, I've been in the car park. There's not a lot of wagons in the car park now, so I'm assuming everything that needs to be in the grounds is pretty much there. Does anyone know what that is on the back of that? That looks like it's waiting to go in. But let me spin round and have a look in the car park for you. See, there's a lot less in there now, and there's a lot of empty trailers as well. See, they're all empty. There's a couple on that left hand side, one there, and all these are empty, apart from the wood on that one. Well, them three. And people told me stop apologising for not looking at stuff. It's just that people ask and I say yeah, I'll do it, and then I don't get round to doing it because there's something going on, or I've forgot, or I've missed it. It's just little things, so I apologise. I do apologise for people for saying that I will and then don't do it. Yeah, there's someone on the move on the roof here. That's all I apologise for. I don't apologise for not doing it. I just apologise for saying I would and then not doing it. So that's gonna go in that corner piece there. Stay with these a second. So while I'm looking at these, I just wanted to thank everyone as well for all the support they've given me since doing this. You know, I've been overwhelmed with it and truly humbled by all the support I've had. You know, it's just been amazing. As I know, I read out bad comments now and again, but when then bad comments are very, very rare. That crane looks like it's about to hit me, but look, I'm nowhere near it. Oh, it's carrying something. Yeah, those bad comments are very rare. That's why I read them out. All the good ones, I get thousands of them now, and I just can't possibly read them all out. So I do address them all in the comments section. That's why I changed the format of my videos as well, where I used to address the comments during the video, but it was taken away from what was going on in the video. So I changed the format where I concentrate more on the work that's going on, but I do address the comments in the comments section. So if you want to leave a comment, leave it, and I will probably get back to you about it. You know, pretty sharpish, unless I'm in bed and you've done it about 2 o'clock in the morning. But the support I guess just unreal now. It's brilliant. I am about 48 subscribers away from 7,000. Now the reason why I put the stats up at the beginning, when I put that stat up 2 days ago, I got 800 new subscribers, because people just don't know that it's free to subscribe, and that subscribing helps the channel. So I'm pushing it as much as I can while this is going on, because this is where I get my most views. So when I do move on to other stuff that people may not be as interested in as much, I can compensate for the views that I might lose. That's all I'm doing this for. That's why I bang on about it. So I hope that makes sense to people. If it doesn't, ask me questions and I will address questions about YouTube. If you want to start your own YouTube channel and you need any advice, let me know. Okay. Right, let's see where that went. It looked like it dropped through a hole, didn't it? Yeah, it's been dropped down into there. Oh no, it's been dropped down the back. There it is there. I'll have another look at this, then I'll get back over and have another look on the pitch, and then I'll probably call it a day after that. I say the sweet spot for my videos is around 15 minutes. It took ages on yesterday's one because I was playing peekaboo with that truck. Some people saying I was stalking it. It was just a game of cat and mouse trying to find it. Yeah, but I had fun. Right, so I'll leave that alone a second. These two are up to here. Okay, leave them to have their break. If this guy's been on a move, he was resting on that piece there. I think putting a plan of action together, aren't they? Tell you what, still don't know how to do it. Let's have a look down here at these. So did they look completed to you, everyone? Okay. Oh, was that the wagon that was offside coming? Oh, or is it not? I'm not playing cat and mouse again. It looks like it is. Yeah, that's coming now. Okay. I won't go around stalking it. Right. One more thing I want to mention as well. These two guys have been a massive help during this. Paul Frost and Mr. Drone have been brilliant. Any information they get, they pass on. You know, say if Mr. Drone gets information, he'll pass it on to me and Paul Frost. If I get it, I'll pass it on to them too. If Paul Frost gets it, he'll pass it on to me and Mr. Drone. So we're always liaising with each other, and we're going to try and get down here all together at some point, and not do it together, but you know, but we will be at the same time getting our own footage. The two of them have been brilliant, and I can't thank them enough. They've been a massive support since the start of my channel, and they continue to be. So to you guys, thank you very much. there's not a lot going on there. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. We're at 15 minutes now. I don't want to go on any longer. If there's anything I missed, comment. I will get to it at some point, okay? I had a lot to talk about today. So yeah, I'd say please subscribe to the channel. Comments and likes will help it get its reach and put it in the recommended sections of other people who have not seen my channel yet, but they watch similar stuff. So say they watch Mr. Drone but have never seen my channel, then my channel will get recommended to them because you're liking it, commenting it and watching it. And it's called engagement. I engage with you, you engage with me, and then I'll recommend it to other people. But apart from that guys, thank you very much, and I am truly humbled by all the support I've received. I will speak to you all soon at the next one, which will be tomorrow. Okay, look after yourselves now, bye.